Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Moeen from Rana. Once again, I am here with another fruitful presentation for you guys. At this time, I have chosen the topic of job research process, or how to search the target job in the huge employer market. This presentation is for those people who are unable to find a job. First of all, you should keep record of all daily job search activities. Set aside a space or a desk or table for all supplies you might need, like file copies of all correspondence, sent and received, application forms, letters and resumes, and employer and organizations info. Let's talk about the time for job hunting. The average person should spend 30-35 hours per week in job hunting activities. Full-time employees or students should expect to spend about 15 hours per week. It takes the average person 6 months to find a job. Job hunting basically is an art. Successful job seekers must have both good information and well-developed job hunting skills. 3 important factors for successful job search are an awareness of your skills and goals, an understanding of the labor market, and a well-planned job search campaign. The following 6 steps will help you conduct an effective job search. Step 1: self-assessment. Self-assessment is a very important step. Basically, identify your values, interests, and skills will help you with your job search. Although self-assessment can be a time-consuming process, it will provide you with the valuable information and help you to facilitate career decisions and prepare you to market yourself as a potential employee. Now we have a cycle of self-assessment and career development. You should do your SWOT analysis first of all. And what is SWOT analysis? SWOT means strength, your weaknesses, your opportunities, your threats. Then next is to set your goals, and then seek out sources for meeting goals and monitor our progress. In self-assessment, we always give the highest percentage of value. Now value, what is the values? What are the values in fact? And awareness of what you will value in the career will help you when exploring career goals and help to attain satisfaction in your work. Which value are important to you? Salary is important for you? Or benefits and pensions are important for you? Or professional status important for you? Job security is important for you? Or working conditions, schedules are important for you? Now, next is interest in self-assessment. Interests are closely related to values and frequently trigger skills development. You can identify your interest by looking at enduring themes in your life, such as activities that persist over time, consistent choices, or the way you spend your time. A tip for discovering your interest is to keep a log of what you like to do and then rank them. Now skills. A skill is something that you do well. Recognizing your skills and communicating their usefulness in writing or verbally to a prospective employer will help you with your job search. Skills. Below is a list of ways to effectively communicate your skills. Describe your skills in concise and clear terms. Refer to actual experiences to demonstrate your skill level. Connect your skills concisely to the need of prospective employer. Be sure to list some transferable skills. Transferable skills are skills which are useful in a variety of work environments. Some examples include word processing or database, software knowledges, and written effectively, etc. Now, the step 2 is a very important step. Explore your future career options. This step involves researching and exploring career options. The step is in the job search process will help you take the values, skills, interests that you assessed in step 1 and relate them to the demands of the work world. Personality and career guidance assessments are excellent tools for this research. Internships, cooperative education positions, part-time, summer job, and volunteer opportunities are great ways to explore career options. Choose a path. After you have completed searching possible careers, several field options will emerge as realistic and attractive. It is most likely that there will not be one single career that will utilize all of your skills, interests, and values. Therefore, it is important that you try to target a career that will satisfy some of your high priority needs. At this point, it would be beneficial to speak to a career counselor or get feedback from professionals in the prospective field which you have chosen. Good research on employers will not only provide you with a competitive edge, but it will also help you when deciding which employers you want to reach and which strategies you could use to contact them. Prepare. Once you have targeted your career goals, you should start to tailor your resume and cover letter to reflect your interests, values, and skills. Your resume and cover letter should reflect the needs of your prospective employers. Now, the step 5 is the most important step. Strategies of your job search campaign. 1. Advertise job opportunities. The most common means of job search is applying to advertised job openings. Several popular sources of job listings include employment source centers, classified ads, and relevant websites. Second one, to develop a contact network. Familiarize yourself with professionals in your targeted field or organization. These professionals offer you an insider's view and build your contact network. This contact network may open doors for you that may have otherwise been closed. Your network may also include friends and family, classmates, professors, and online discussion groups. The third one, to contact employer directly. There are several ways that a job seeker can go about contacting a potential employer, including send a cover letter and resume to the human resource department, contact managers in organizations that interest you to request an appointment to discuss possible employees opportunities during your appointment. Emphasize your knowledge and interest in their organization. Be sure to follow up all interviews with a thank you letter or phone calls. Follow-up and record keeping is very important strategy, No matter how many job search strategies you choose, always be sure to follow up and keep records. Maintain a careful record of all interviews. Thank you note and referrals are important. Persistent. If your job search is not producing the results you are looking for, try a new approach. If your job search campaign has been successful, you may end up with multiple offers. Determine which position you would like to accept and thank everyone else. Make sure. Be consistent. Push yourself towards the target. Now, the last step is the network. What is networking? Networking is the art of building alliances. It's talking to people you know and asking them to introduce you to others. It's not contacting everyone you know when you are looking for a new job and asking if they know of any job openings. Networking starts long before a job search, and you probably don't even realize you are doing it. What is network? A network is a group of people connected to you through family, friends, education, employment, and community. Why network? The question is why network? Most jobs are in the hidden job market. Only 20% of available jobs are actually advertised. Employers would much rather talk to someone who has been recommended by someone they already employ or know. It's easier for them because they have your first reference, and it saves them considerable effort in advertising the position and sorting through resumes and cover letters. You are networking when you attend professional association meetings or trade shows, talk to other people at sporting or music events, volunteer for a local charity or community events, join a social club or religious group, etc. In your network, you have a family, friends, you have family, neighbors, employers, and co-workers, teachers, teammates, classmates, coaches, club members, and leaders, and community leaders. There are so many people out there with you, contacting you each and every day or every moment. It's all about my presentation. Thank you for always listening me and encouraging me. May Allah bless you, stay blessed, and hope for the best. Thank you. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.